This is a short, gentle movement routine that I've designed to be perfect for first thing in the morning or anytime during the day. If you just want to break from sitting, if you want to add some movement into your day. It can also be added on to the end of an activity, for example, after going for a walk. Thanks for joining me. I'm Sandra. I'm so glad you're here. We'll start by taking a big inhale as we reach the arms to the ceiling, and then exhale the arms down. One shoulder roll, rolling the shoulders up, back, and down. And then bring your arms out to a T, palms facing forward. Cross one arm across center, touch the opposite shoulder, and then twist to that side. And then come back to center, other way. Just going side to side. Nice, slow, gentle moves. One more each side. Come back to center, let the arms come down. One arm, we're going to reach forward, circle up to the ceiling, circle back, and then the other side. Feel free to make these circles the right size for you, always checking into your own body, make any modifications. One more each side. And then we'll lift the arms back out to a T, palms facing forward. We're going to cross both arms and touch opposite shoulders. Here we go. And then open up and cross. And you can notice which arm is coming on top and see if you can alternate your arms. Inhale to open, exhale, cross. Opening across the chest as you open your arms. Two more. And then let the arms come down. We're going to alternate heel taps forward, so just go ahead and tap your heels forward, and you could add some gentle arm swings. So dynamic stretch for the lower leg, for the calf muscles. Four, three, two, one. We're gonna place the feet wider apart, arms to a T. We'll see if I have enough room here. Bend into one knee and reach to that side, other knee and reach, and just going side to side. One more each way. Coming up tall, we're going to stagger the feet, 1 foot in front, 1 foot behind, toes are pointing forward. We're going to reach the arms forward as we come up on our back heel, reach up, and then as we swing the arms back, we put that back heel down and lift the forward toe. So it's a rocking motion, rocking forward, rocking back. Inhale, exhale. Nice big full body stretch. We'll do one more with this foot position. And then just switch your feet around. And we'll continue reaching forward, back heel lifts, reach back, front toe lifts. Inhale, exhale, keep going. A couple more. Bringing the feet a little bit wider, arms alongside the body, your hands are on the outside of your thighs. We're going to side bend over to one side and just let your hands slide down your legs, the outside of your legs, and come to center, and then go to the other side. Just feeling that nice opening of the side of the body. Going as far as feels right for you. We'll have one more each way. And then come back up. And you can keep your feet a little bit wider as they are. Turn your palms forward. Bring your arms out to the side for mountain pose. Maybe bring your arms back just a little bit. Feel that stretch, gentle stretch across the chest, the front of the shoulders, down the length of the arms, and then tune into your breath. Just notice your full inhales and exhales. Take a moment to think about one thing you're grateful for today. It can be anything, any small thing. And then relax the arms down. One more shoulder roll, up, back, and down. And one more big breath. Inhale up, exhale down. Thank you so much for joining me for this, adding some movement into our day. If you enjoyed this, comment below, give me a like, and I'll see you in another workout. Take good care.